Am I visible now? Okay. Our goal is actually for this afternoon, share with you how we can utilize cost estimating tool in developing your DUPA or your detailed uh, unit price analysis. As we all know, this is somehow essential in establishing our cost estimates, especially when we are engaging to government sectors. But of course, this is also being widely used, no, especially when we're bidding out for private projects as well. So in this session, we will try to understand which simply we will be defining it, no, and then later on jumping to the applications, define the DUPA, and then later on we'll share with you the benefits and key components. But late, siguro roughly this will be just very quick, and then we'll dive into the live demonstration on how we can utilize a cost estimating application. All right. So, all right. So let's now head over. Ano po ba nga ba yung DUPA or the detailed unit price analysis? So most of the time, we heard this from estimators, no? Especially engaging with um, biddings that they develop their DUPA for applying or joining the certain bids. So DUPA or detailed unit price analysis is simply a method of construction cost estimation. So this is actually a generic one, but in most cases, this is being widely used and applied yun nga sa ating mga government institution, no? So this involves breaking down the cost data of a particular construction activity. So into individual component, or simply it's actually just uh, identifying each specific unit of work to each specific resources that we will then be costing. So this also includes analyzing specific quantity, no, uh, prescribed or assigned to each resources needed. So visually, to represent it, it's just like yun nga, we're actually establishing this specific wall or constructing this specific wall wherein we need to gather all of these resources, which involves material, labor, equipment, and other factors that contributes to the development of the cost. So this also relates to probably the methodology of how we will be constructing the wall, and of course the indirect cost that involves in this. And once we establish this, that is the moment wherein we are now able to develop our BOQ line item. So doing this multiple times in the specific activities in developing our projects will then build as our BOQ or bill of quantity. All right. So how do we create this? Of course, doing it in a manual way, we need to establish specific um, material items, no? Tsaka yung mga scope of works. But we will then be jumping right away, no, on the applications that we have. And we would want to introduce you the solutions we have in place, which we call the Cost OS. So Cost OS is an application po. It's a solution for modernizing or simplifying the cost estimate process. We all know yung tedious work of doing the estimates. And now that we are in the technology era, and most of the neighboring countries is also adapting to digital transformation. So this is now yung latest development and processes that they're applying, no, to speeding up their DUPA creation. So what is CostOS? Again, it's a cost estimating platform. In fact, it's an enterprise wide solution. So meaning, pag sinabi nating enterprise, this could be set up in a large number of estimators, but of course, this could also be set up to a scaled one. So you can start as a single point of estimating. It could be groups in 2, 3, 4, and to an enterprise-wide. Having said, you can also start by, building as a solo team and then eventually working on a joint project. So just to give you an idea of what an enterprise really means on this, no? So this cover all the estimate phases, no? And that is actually one of the benefit and value of having a cost estimating tool. So from the initial cost plan down to a detailed estimates, which also includes takeoff from either map, uh, 2D drawings, which what we do have currently, no, here in the Philippines, though there are already evolving companies that they also utilize 3D models deployed either on cloud or on premise. So again, it's CostOS. So what does CostOS do? So simply, para hindi rin tayo ganong ma-confuse, it also actually capture the way that we're estimating our line items. However, in such a way that it actually captures everything. Anong ibig sabihin pag sinabi mong captures? Ngayon kasi, we're doing our estimate plainly on an Excel file wherein every estimates or every project will then have its own Excel file. Okay? But here in COSOS, it gathers all of the resources and even yung mga indirect items natin, no? And factors that really affects yung overall cost. And then it keeps everything in one centralized repository or yung tinatawag nating database. And once we have it in the database, we can then utilize it in our system or in our computer, keeping now as um, keeping now as a storage file or kumbaga sa bahay, no, parang meron na tayong refrigerator of all the ingredients wherein if we need to cook something, bubuksan na lang natin yung ating refrigerator at kukunin yung ating mga rekado sa loob. So that's actually, siguro in analogy, we can relate CostOS. Plus, of course, its features and functions that help you speed up the development of your Dupa. All right, so all in all, a system helps you, number one, to have a cost database, speed up BOQ development, speed up the quantity takeoff, and even manage your quotations in one single place. All right, having said this, I think so, no, we're also really excited to understand and see how things works sa isang application. So medyo speed up ko po, no, kasi we only have limited time. Okay, so what does it looks ba of having a system? Okay, so what I'm showing you right now is actually the live interface of CostOS or the cost estimating tool, no? So makikita nyo dito, okay, it has the same look and feel of just like having a typical, you know, Microsoft applications. We now have the ribbons on top and as well as a somehow spreadsheet look alike. But again, this one is very specific for cost estimating. So ano po ba itong nakikita nyo sa screen? Okay, so if you notice, this is an application that houses all of your estimate past and even present. No? Very important po sa isang company that we keep all of our references intact and in one location po, no? Dahil in most cases, our estimates, there are also items wherein it keeps on repeating. And that's also one value that we do have a cost estimating, especially if we're creating really our DUPA. No, in some cases, it's we can really recycle specific items. Okay, so um, this application houses all of your estimates, and if I further expand it, you'll notice, no, that these estimates can keep organized projects either based on its project type. Yan, medyo liitan ko po para makita nyo in view. So I can even actually group different projects based on its type whether it's a commercial tower or a residential building. And right away, I can see the total cost, no, that it incurred during my estimate and even the offered price, no? Makikita nyo. All right, so this gives you now a complete visibility over the existing project or estimates that you're currently working. No need na to open up multiple Excel files and then later on you'll get confused. So this is actually viewing everything in just one window. All right, so